Okay, now we're going to try to just simplify algebraic expressions. You could say simplifying algebraic expressions when we was doing combined like terms, or even when we are doing distributed property. We're putting all of the combining like terms and distributed property, putting it all together right now. Okay, we're basically putting all of it together. We're just going to simplify because we can't necessarily answer it, but we can simplify. Just like PEMDAS, the first thing you need to do is get rid of that parentheses. Okay, so inside this parentheses right here, I can't work anything inside there because it's two terms that's not alike. So first thing I need to do is distribute. This 5 right here is up against the parentheses, so it means it's going to be multiplying everything inside the parentheses. So what's 5 times 10? So that's going to be a positive 50. Include the x. 5 times negative 8 is negative 40. Okay, this plus x, plus 4x is out here on an island by itself. So just bring it down because it's not touching the parentheses. It's just out there. Just bring it down. We'll mess with it later. Now, look at what we have. Okay, do we have 50x minus 40 plus 4x? Do we have any like terms we can combine? Yes, we got 50x, we got a 4x. Both are positive. So they're both positive, we add them up, and we get 54x. And then we have minus 40 sitting there by itself, so nothing to combine it with, so we'll just bring it down. So 50x minus 40 would be our answer because those two terms cannot be combined. Okay, next step, next problem, sorry, is negative 2 outside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, negative 6y plus 9 minus 7y. Okay, which number is up against the parentheses and which number or term is kind of sitting out there on the island by itself? Okay, this negative 7y is just out there, so just bring it down. Negative 7y. We'll mess with it later. The 2 right here, the negative 2, is the one up against parentheses that we have to distribute. So first things first, negative 2 times negative 6 is going to give us positive 12. Bring the y down. And then we got negative 2 times positive 9, which is negative 18. So now we have 12y minus 18 minus 7y. Which 2 or 3, if any, things are alike we can combine? I got 12y. I got negative 7y. So I can squeeze this answer in here. I kind of wrote too big. 12y minus 7y is going to give us 5y. The negative 18 is by itself, nothing to combine it with. So just bring it down in the answer, negative 18. So the answer is going to give us 5y minus 18. Okay, next example may look a little different, but it's still the same thing. Where is the number that's up against the parentheses? Okay, it's right here. It's 4. What is kind of isolated? What is kind of sitting by itself? This 8 right here. So just bring it down for a second. So we got to distribute the 4. So it's a positive 4. Positive 4 times positive 3, x, it's going to give us positive 12x. All right, now we got positive 4 times positive 5 gives us positive 20. All right, so we got rid of the parentheses, and this is what we have. What do we have that's alike? Well, we got a 12x, but we have no nothing to go with the 12x. So just bring the 12x down. Okay. Now we have this 8, and we have this 20. Both are positive, so just combine them, add them up. 20 plus 8 gives us 28. All right. Now look at it. Do we have anything we can combine? Nope. 12x plus 28 is our final answer.